Hi everyone, welcome. I'm meteorologist Sam Ryan. I love days like today. Get some of the clouds and some of these showers kind of rolling through. And a little hit or miss drip action locally here. Maybe a few flakes mixing in if we can see some of those during the overnight after the sunset. So we're looking at an atmospheric river plowing into the Pacific. You look at all the activity. Now a lot of this gets wrung out in the mountains to the west, but some of it is slamming in across our western mountains, the Wyoming range, all the way down through Jackson Hole, also the Sierra Madre range, and the Snowy range. We'll have a potential here for some snow each day. We could end up seeing a couple inches, maybe 3-4 inches for our mountains here to our west, and then you get over to Jackson Hole up through Wyoming, they could have anywhere from 6 to 12 inches, including the Wind River range. So be aware of that. Traveling is going to be very difficult at times. This is just the start of it today. We'll see a lot more tomorrow and into Saturday, Sunday, possibly even into Monday. We have some strong winds that will accompany this atmospheric river mixing down at times. Now, right now, we've only seen wind gusts up to around 30 miles per hour, and we'll have the potential up to 40 miles per hour Rollins, and there's some wind advisories out. And we've got that wind locally here now increasing, especially by Monday as a cold front finally moves in. This is the polar front, which has been basically non-existent across the entire lower 48 for about a week and a half. And so it's returning, and we will get clipped by that going into Monday, Tuesday, allowing our temperatures to cool enough where we could have some local accumulating snowfall finally. And that would be primarily Sunday night through Tuesday. And so we'll see the bulk of it perhaps on Monday. Some slippery conditions out there, be aware of it. Windy at times, strongest Sunday night. And again, Monday with that snow, we'll have blowing snow. So travel will be difficult, especially around the eastern part of the state on Monday, but western part of the state, it starts already. So there's the snow. Here we are Friday. We've got that wave coming through. Snowfall amounts on one of our computer models. I'm sorry, I skipped it. On one of our computer models. So this is not a snowfall forecast. I want to emphasize that we typically don't put it out a couple days until a couple days before the event. So this is looking ahead Monday, but I wanted you to be aware that there is that potential with Laramie, maybe 4 inches. You could see the yellows there. That's some double digits when we get into the Snowy range and the Sierra Madre range and the Front range and going up through the Wind River range. And so we'll have heavier snow in those locations. Meanwhile, for us, we are below freezing during the morning, so a few flakes of snow mixing in is possible. And we'll be up in the mid-40s though for the afternoon. A few drips are possible. More sunshine towards Bridgeport at 48 and 47 in Torrington. The winds increase Monday with that cold front. We cool down.